Sangye, Bardo, Sojong, Nyenpa, Lambar, Yeo.
Jinkuru Gunjin June Sisi Bajori Lam Nanjurma, Chene Gunji Chebo Wanjo Shishon Pei Jambre, Nanjur Ziji Kuben Dudon Rame Duji Jong Wanju. This morning we have started Kagyu Monlam here. Now, introduction of Kagyu Monlam I make here brief. Many of you very familiar with the Kagyu Monlam. I believe that many of you visit the Bodh Gaya every year in the winter, attend the Kagyu Monlam there. So from there, then they flourish around the world. Now, Monlam is a Tibetan word, so I explain here. Mon means aspiration, and the lam means the path. This means the path of aspiration. Now, what does it mean? So this means, like in the past, we have been discussed about the bodhicitta, compassion, loving kindness. So nothing special other than that practice. It is something like a special practice or special practice in the gatheration, because it's a collective aspiration, not from one individual or two individuals, but many practitioners gathered here and then make aspiration. So more powerful, more effective, we call this a collective aspiration. Our Lord Buddha, when he was a bodhisattva, on the path of bodhisattvas, so he made so many prayers and aspirations. And as well as those great masters in India and Tibet, so all of them made a profound aspiration in their practice. So aspiration for what? Aspiration for the welfare of all sentient beings, because all sentient beings are wandering in this samsara from the beginningless of the time, and So, although the Buddha nature, the potential, the Buddha nature is within all sentient beings, but that's not enough. So in order to work with the Buddha nature, then we should develop the bodhicitta, compassion, wisdom, all these qualities. And when we do aspiration, we do aspiration with the compassion, loving kindness, and the wisdom. So if you make it separate, the prayer, aspiration, separate from the compassion, loving kindness, and wisdom, then the prayer or aspiration alone is not that powerful. So usually when we do practice or when we do puja, there are three nobles. The first is the taking refuge and the bodhicitta. That's the first noble. Then the second is while you are practicing the puja whatsoever, then the mind should be apart from the dualistic mind. So that's the second noble. So the third noble is the aspiration. Dedication is aspiration. So the dedication means whatever the merit that we accumulated, so that merit, that benefit, we dedicate for all sentient beings in the way of let them realize they are the true nature of the mind or the Buddha nature. There they are able to cultivate the bodhicitta, compassion, wisdom, so then they can receive this dedication from the merit. So in the sense of a dedication, so should dedicate all sentient beings without partiality. If we become our practice very partial, then that is not genuine dedication or genuine aspiration. As Nagarjuna says, as long as this ignorance is existed, then as a result there is a dualistic mind. As long as there is a dualistic mind, then there is a coming action. If there is a coming action, there is a rebirth in the samsara. Then, if there is a rebirth through the samsara, then there is a suffering. At the same time, when you are suffer in the samsara, the same time you are accumulating another negative actions. And again rebirth, again suffering, again accumulation. So this is what we call samsara, the cyclic existence. So the prayer, Nagarjuna says, the prayer is as long as these ignorance, dualistic mind, coming action, rebirth, the suffering exist, then bodhisattva's aspiration never ceased. So our aspiration should be strengthen the power of aspiration this way, not like a few individuals or few beings around that you see they are suffering, but entire this samsara. And then how does this aspiration affect true sentient beings? Three conditions. Number one, the power of the Dhammadhatu. Number two, the blessing, loving kindness, compassion of all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. And then number three, my own genuine motivation, my own genuine practice, and the genuine dedication, and the genuine aspiration. Therefore, with these three conditions, and the Monlam works. So you notice now, it's not enough, the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas being so kind, and the Dhammadhatu is so powerful, but your genuine, if you are lacking or missing pure devotion or pure or genuine dedication or aspiration, and just only because of these two genuine, your prayer is not working. So eventually you think the most responsibility is yours, not them, because their blessing is always there, no doubt. The potential of the Dhammadhatu is always there, but there's something wrong, it's your responsibility. So you have to be careful, right? Yes. There's no other excuse at all.
Składam pełen szacunku, chodziałem i umysłem jednostek szlachetnego dążenia. To jest domu we wszechświecie, każdy z nich przebywa pośród duchowych synów i córek. Tak właśnie wyobrażam sobie, tworzysz się oceany niewłaściwego postępowania, doprowadzę do doskonałości.
carry this Kagyu activity every year. So this will fulfill the wish of His Holiness and the lineage masters, and very beneficial for all sentient beings. That's it. Thank you so much. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.
A jak to tam? A jesteśmy